Hello guys, how to fix Chrome error network changed in Chrome on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of error message appear, your connection was interrupted, error network changed. And to fix this issue, the first and initial workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Now in command prompt Windows, execute this 4 command on your command prompt Windows to reset your network. IP configuration FLUSHDNS to clear your DNS caches of your network connection, IP reset and WINSOCK reset. All these 4 commands one by one executed on your command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, restart your system and check whether your error name change resolved or not. Don't forget to restart your system, and if your problem is still, then go to the next fixes. And the next workaround to fix this issue is open control panel in your system or go to Windows search, Windows settings, press Win+I shortcut key to open Windows settings, go to network and internet. Thereafter go to advanced network settings and here scroll down and under related settings click on internet option. This option can be accessed through control panel also. Here go to connection settings from the top menu bar and here choose local area network settings, LAN settings. Click on it and make sure that proxy server, use a proxy server for your LAN is disabled. Uncheck this box and press OK. Disabling proxy settings may be helpful in fixing such type of error, name change error on your Chrome browser. The next one is again go to control panel of your system and choose network and sharing center. Click on it. From the left side, go to change adapter settings. Click on it. A new window will open. Here all your available network connection is visible. Simply right click on your network connection and choose properties. A new window will open. Here select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and choose properties. A new window will open. Here go to use the following DNS server address and enter the preferred net DNS server 8 and 8 and alternate DNS server 8844 and finally click on OK. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.